So far, I've showed you how to set up the Amilious Console, how to create commands, register commands, and unregister commands. But now I want to show you an easier way to do this. So instead of registering and unregistering our commands, we can simply extend from command behavior, and it will automatically register and unregister the commands for us. So I can go ahead and save. And if I go back in here, now you see these over here. This will, if you uncheck this, the commands will not be registered automatically. But as long as this is checked, which it is by default, they will be. And we can go ahead and hit run. And hit F5, you'll see our test YouTube command still exists and it's working. I disable our test script, try it again, and it's not working. I enable the script again, and it's working. So yeah, so you should be able to, any class you're using mono behavior and you want to have commands in it, you should be able to just change mono behavior to command behavior and be able to use it like that. Otherwise, if you cannot, then you can always register and unregister the way I showed you in the previous videos.